morning students. Today we start lesson 6 molecular basis of inheritance. This is very important and securing lesson and 5 marks questions so many times asked from this lesson. This is very important. Go through this lesson very seriously. So let us we start the lesson. It consisting of the three main important process: replication, transcription and translation. Replication, formation of DNA from DNA is known as replication. Formation of RNA from DNA is known as transcription, and formation of proteins from the messenger RNA is known as translation. So all these three main important processes are discussed in this lesson later on. Now DNA. What is DNA? DNA is the genetic material. It is discovered later, but first go through the term DNA. This is a long polymer of deoxyribonucleotide, nucleotides, that is base pairs. These are the differ in different kind of organism. DNA first time discovered by F. Mischer, Friedrich Mischer in 1869, and named it as nuclein. Now different kind of base pairs occur in different kind of organism. For example, in a bacteriophage 5 into 174, about 5386 base pairs or nucleotides are there. In a bacteriophage lambda, it has 48,502 base pairs. E. coli, Escherichia coli bacteria, it consisting of 4.6 into 10 to the power 6 base pair, while human beings DNA has 3.3 into 10 to the power 9 base pair. Now go through the component of the DNA. If we further describe the DNA consisting of, or it is the polymer of nucleotide. It is the long nucleotide polymer. Nucleotide consisting of mainly three components. One is the nucleoside, phosphate group. Nucleoside further subdivided into nitrogenous bases, pentose sugar. Two types of nitrogenous bases are there. One is the purines, pyrimidines. Purines are two in number. Adenine denoted by the letter A, guanine denoted by the letter G. Pentose sugar are of two types. Ribose sugar occur in the RNA, deoxyribose sugar in the DNA. Now pyrimidines, three types of pyrimidines are there. Cytosine denoted by the C, thymine denoted by the T, while uracil is present only in RNA instead of thymine. So, and phosphate group. All these are the component of nucleotide. One more important thing is the Chargaff rule. Irving Chargaff, it states that ratio between adenine and thymine and guanine and cytosine are constant and equal to the 1. For example, A upon T ratio G upon C is equal to 1. It means that adenosine always join with the thymine with the double bond, while cytosine always join with the guanosine with a triple bond.